am swimming in a pile of used tires back there. Obviously, we started getting a bit of snow here the last couple weeks, and I wanted to share with you guys some tire buying tips, particularly around the category of all-weather tires. So a lot of people don't know that all-weather tires and all-season tires are actually two different types of tire. It wasn't long ago that wasn't necessarily the case, but we're seeing this category really develop over the last 5 years, which has been a phenomenal thing for climates like ours here in Wisconsin. So these all-weather tires, they're actually a hybrid between an all-season and a winter tire. So they have the advantage of being able to stay on year-round while still carrying like the 3-peak mountain snowflake rating for severe winter and snow conditions. Two of our favorite options in this category, the Michelin Cross Climate and the Toyo Celsius. We put a lot of those on. I do have a Celsius right here. So definitely two options to consider and look into if you're in the market for tires this year.